Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Incentive Footsteps. The topic of today's lecture is logic gate. So basically, what is logic gate? Logic gates are electronic circuit as you can see in the picture that takes one or more input signals, perform a logical operation and produce an output signal based on that operation. Logical gates are building block of digital circuit. In fact, logical gates perform logical operations enabling digital circuits to make decisions. Logical gates regulate the flow of data between different parts of a digital circuit. Moreover, by combining multiple logic gates, digital circuits can perform complex tasks such as arithmetic, memory management, and more. A logic gate performs a particular logical function. Logic gate has two or more inputs and produce one output. Logic gates use binary logic like zeros and ones to process information. They receive input signals, apply a logical operation, and produce an output signal accordingly. So let's explore different types of logic gates. So basically there are three main logic gates that are AND, OR, NOT. But with the combination of these three gates, multiple other gates are formed. For example, the main gate is AND. With the combination of AND and NOT gate, there is another gate that names it NAND. Another one is OR, that is also a primary gate, and with the combination of OR and NOT gate, there is another gate that named is NOR. The third one is the NOT gate, that is also a primary gate, and these gates another gate formed, and that is exclusive OR. Let's understand the concept of logic gates with a real world example. For example, imagine you are at a theme park and you want to ride a roller coaster. The park has some rules to ensure safety. For example, number one is your age restriction. You must be at least 12 years old to ride, and that is called AND gate. Another restriction is height requirement. You must be at least 4 feet tall to ride on the roller coaster. This is again AND gate. Health condition. If you have a heart condition, you can't ride. So this is a NOT gate. So to ride the roller coaster, you need to meet both the age and the height requirements that are both are AND gates. But if you have a heart condition, you are not allowed to ride, and that is NOT gate. This is similar to how logic gates work in digital electronics. The theme park's rules are like the logic gates, making decisions based on the input, for example, your age, height, and health condition, to produce an output yes or no to riding the roller coaster. So there are multiple other real-world examples of logic gates like traffic lights, security systems, medical diagnosis, and online search filters. So let's understand each logical gate with its truth table. So the first logical gate is AND gate. Let's explore AND gate. As you can see that this is a circuit board. A circuit board contains two inputs, A and B, one output. Along with the circuit board, there is a truth table. As you can see, there are two variables A and B. And this is, in the third column, is the logical expression. That is y is equals to A dot B. That shows the multiplication. It means that you are going to multiply the value of A with the value of B. As we know that the digital circuits work with binary numbers that are zeros and one. And basically there are four combinations of 0 and 1s. Let's understand the concept of AND gate with an example. Imagine you have two locks and you need both keys to open a secret box. If you have only one key, the box won't open. But if you have both keys, key A and key B, the box will open. An AND gate works similarly. It has two inputs like A and B, zeros and one output. If both are inputs A and B are true, like having both keys, the output is true. The box opens. If either input is false, like missing a key, the output is false, the box stays closed. So let's see the first combination. For example, if the variable A value is 0 and variable B value is 0, then the output would be 0. In the same way, if variable A value is 0 and variable B is 1, then again, if we multiply 0 by 1, then the output would be same, 0. On the other hand, if A contains 1 and B value contains 0, then the output will remain same, 0, means false. But when we have both keys and when we have both values true, or we can say that when we have both values high, then the output would be high. Hopefully you understand the concept. The next gate is OR gate. As you can see, the digital circuit of OR gate, in the same way, it contains two or more inputs and one output. The output could be true or false, high or low, 0 or 1s. It depends upon the input given to the system. Again, consider the same example that you have two different keys and either key can open the secret box. If you have key A or key B or both, the box will open. An OR gate works similarly. It has two inputs, A and B, and one output. If either input, A or B, is true, like having one key, the output is true. The box opens. If both inputs are false, like having no keys, the output is false. The box stays closed. Now let's explore all the four combinations of 0 and 1s. As we have discussed, the both values are 0, the output would be 0. As you can see, the mathematical expression that is equals to y is equal to a plus b. So basically, OR gate shows the addition. You are going to add the variable value of A to the variable value of B. So in the same way, if we have combination of 0 and 1, again the output would be 1 because we have any one key that can open the gate, right? So in the third combination, again 1 and 0, the result would be 1, high or true. In the same way, if we have both keys, or you can say that if we have both 1s, then the lock will be open and it will return us 1. So in OR gate, any value that is true, or you can say that any value that is 1, it would be returned 1 because you are going to add both values. Hopefully you understand the concept. Let's move to the next gate. That is NOT gate. We also called it inverse gate. So basically this is the digital circuit of NOT gate. As you can see that it contains only one input and one output. And you can see that logical expression that y is equals to A naught, or there is another symbol that is known as A bar. If the value of A is 0, then the output would be 1. And if the value of A is 1, then the output would be 0. So the next gate is NOR gate. NOR gate is basically combination of NOT gate and OR gate. NOR gate is basically inverse of OR gate. As you can see the expression, logical expression that y is equal to A plus B, that shows the OR gate, and then NOT. It means that the output would be opposite of OR gate. As we have studied in OR gate, if any one value of all combinations of zeros and ones, if any one value either A or either B is 1, the result would be 1. But in NOR gate, the result would be 0. For example, in the first combination, if A is equals to 0 and B is equals to 0, the output would be in OR gate. Output would be 0. But in NOR gate, it would be 1 because it is opposite of OR gate. In the same way, in the second example, or you can say that the second combination of binary codes like 0 and 1. Now, in the OR gate, as we have discussed, if any one value would be 1 or true, the results would be true. But here, any one value is 0, the output would be 0 or false. In the other combination, again, the variable A value is 1 and B is 0, the output would be 0. In the same way, if both values is 1, the results would be 0 because it's the opposite of or inverse of OR gate. So let's explore the next one. The next is NAND gate. NAND gate is basically combination of NOT gate and AND gate. NAND gate is inverse of AND gate. The output would be 0 only when all the inputs are 1. For example, as you can see in that expression, A dot B, it means that it first performed the AND operator and then bar. It means that inversion. As we can see, the logical expression, that is y is equals to A dot B bar. It means that it first performed the AND operation, that is the multiplication, that the value of A is going to be multiplied with value of B. And after that, the AND operation performed, it will give the NOT operation will be performed. Inversion is indicated by the bar. So let's again explore the all four combinations of zeros and 1. If the A and B variables is 0, then output would be 1. That is the inversion of AND operator. In the same way, if value of A is equals to 0 and value of B is 1, then the output would be 1. That is in AND case is 0. As we know that if any value is 0, then the output would be 0, or you can say that the false or low. In the same way, if A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 0, the result would be 1. That is inversion of AND operator. And if both values are 1, then the output would be 0. Hopefully you understand the concept. So the next one is XOR gate. That is exclusive OR gate. Exclusive OR gate has a graphical symbol similar to that of OR gate, except for the additional curved line on the input side. It produces a one input or true input only when the two inputs are at different logic levels. For example, let's explore the truth table. If both values are 0, then the output would be 0 because A and B, both values are same. In the same way, if any one value is different, it results in 1 or high. Same with the third combination. Again, in the fourth combination, hopefully you understand the concept. It's all about today's lecture. If you have any query, feel free to comment in comment section. Thank you so much.